Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm in this new setup because I'm getting ready for Halloween like right this second, and I'm kind of in a rush, but I thought I might as well turn the camera on and shoot like a get ready with me for Halloween video. I never really shoot videos the day of Halloween because I find it really stressful, but I'm starting a little earlier today, and I thought I might as well just put you guys over there and then I'll do my thing. It's not going to be a tutorial this time because I don't exactly know what I'm doing, so I'm trying to like figure it out along the way, but I'll show you guys what I drew out. I kind of want to do like a half cyborg, like robot girl. So I drew out a little face. I don't know if you guys can see that there. Oh, it's kind of blown out. But anyways, I'll leave half of my face like myself and do like a nice eye and whatever. And then this side is going to be like robot woman, have like a little power button on my forehead. I want to try and like work it down my neck and then kind of do like a whole shoulder piece if I have time. So I'm wearing like a strapless bodysuit so that I can do like kind of painting down here. I've never done this before. I haven't watched a tutorial on how to do it, so I kind of just made it up, took some inspiration from Pinterest here and there, and then yeah, I'm gonna try and figure it out. So you guys can just stay over there and watch, and I'll try and like speed this whole thing up so we can get through it all. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair yet. I might just be spraying it a color to make it look cool or putting a wig on. And then after I do this, I have to do it to Kristen because we always match on Halloween. And yeah, so I have a lot to do, so I'm gonna get started. I'm just gonna do the whole like easy part first, which is like my plain makeup on one side. Then I'll work into this side of my face to do the whole robot look. So yeah, I'm just gonna time lapse this whole thing so you guys can see the whole process kind of come together. I don't really have much talking to do because I need to focus on this look. But yeah, I'm excited to have like actual Halloween day content, even though it's gonna be out probably a few days after Halloween, but a lot of people never get to see what I actually do for myself on Halloween, so I thought I might as well just include you guys in on this. It's one of my favorite days and I love doing Halloween makeup, so I'm just gonna get started. Alright, so I got my makeup and my eye pretty much done on this side. Now I'm gonna like kind of sketch out with white eyeliner what the shapes and stuff are gonna look like over here so that I can start painting. So I'm just going in with some white eyeliner and kind of following the picture that I drew. But this is gonna be the hard part. This is the scary one. That white eyeliner is like completely out from last year, so I'm just gonna go in with some white paint now and try and start this. Getting nervous. I'm gonna do kind of like a skeleton mouth and then make it into kind of like robot-like. I don't know, I really like the look of skeleton mouths on Halloween, so I'm just gonna stick to that.
What did you do?
You like it?
What did you do to yourself? How long did that take you?
Well, I was trying to figure it out along the way, but like it wouldn't take that long to do it again, but it's up to you, whatever you want to do.
Yeah, let's do it then. Let's just do it.
I can do it if you sit down right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I just...
Put a black shirt on. This is me pretty much done. I just have to probably just put a wig on because I don't have time to do my hair. Christian's coming in right now so I can do it.
Call the ambulance.
Do you like
it's
it?
a zombie apocalypse.
I'm not supposed to be a zombie. It's a robo girl.
When he doesn't understand what you are.
Do you get it? There's even a power button on my forehead.
You got a power button on your forehead.
Do you like it? Okay, your turn. We gotta
It's
go now.
unbelievable. That's an ambulance.
Make sure you make me look as good as you.
Okay, you can't talk.
Okay, I'm gonna shut my mouth. Feels
This
so
is
good
so
on
much
my face.
easier to do you. Wow.
But do you even know what you're doing?
Does anyone even know what they're doing?
I don't know.
Look, Mom, I'm a zombie.
It's not a zombie. You know what would be really cool too? Putting blood on the edge so it looks like we're ripped open. And
No, I don't want no blood on my face.
Okay, now you need to close your mouth. Oh wait. You do this first. Caleb, show everyone what you want to be.
He wants to be a beautiful blonde.
Awesome.
That's the goal.
Cool. Okay. Let's get started. Alright guys, everyone is pretty much done. Shove some pins in there. Alright, finishing touches in the bathroom. Ooh. Look at this. Do you guys like the wig with it? I think it helps complete the look.
You look sexy.
Looks so cool.
So sexy.
Oh my god, I love it. This is so cool. Ooh, look at Caleb all finished and done. We need to go to the light so they can see.
Okay.
Ooh. Whoa, that's crazy. It looks so good on camera. Love it. Ooh, ready? Shut that one eye. What? Okay, sorry that wasn't much of a tutorial, but I hope you guys got to see what it's like to get ready for Halloween with us. It's always a rush and we're always late. We're literally an hour late right now, so we gotta go. But we're both just wearing black. Caleb's in black. We all got our faces done. I'll put you guys down here so you guys can see the whole outfit. So I just have a leather skirt on, a leather bodysuit, and then I got my high knee boots. So yeah, just super simple costume. And then this is pretty much what I do every year by doing like cool makeup, cool hair, and then just go super, super simple with my outfit. I feel like it just makes everything easier and looks like you put so much time and effort into it. Sorry there wasn't like too much detail and there wasn't really too much talking, but I just had to stay so focused and like get it done really, really quickly because I had to do 3 people's makeup, and that's usually what happens on Halloween. I usually have to do like everyone's makeup. All right, let's see them.
Not that one. These are the colored ones.
Ooh.
Not that one. No.
Oh, I like that one. Oh, I love that one.
Fire, huh?
Wow. Yeah, that's my favorite. Oh my god, the coloring looks so cool. The hair. Ooh. Wow. The fake gun, that just makes it. Right? Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked our makeup looks. Hopefully you can follow them somehow, even though it was really, really rushed. But I hope you guys are inspired to maybe try this yourself next year. Anyways, we'll see you guys in my next video.
Wow.
Mwah. Bye.